Okay, hey guys, today we're back with another video, and today we are going to be doing some soul shard races. Let's begin, and then maybe we'll add in a little bit of pumpkin hunting. So let's go. Okay, yeah, I see you, Fog. I see a fag. Fag? What? I see a fog. Stop trying to creep me out. Okay, once we get to the very top, we are going to slowly do the U-turn. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Slowly do the U-turn. Because you've got to take the U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. There we go. Oh, great. And now there's sleeping bombs. Which actually don't make you sleep. They just slow you down a bit. Um, and do you remember, guys, that when doing this, if you were in the old SSO, that if you were hit by these, you'd have to do the entire race all over again. If you were just hit by these. They're still chasing us! Stop it, it's just 3 souls. Jeez, I guess the witches care very deeply about 3 souls. I got hit. Okay, keep galloping through, keep galloping through. Okay, escape to safety. Oh, jeez, I just woke up. Again, note to self, don't make a video as soon as you crawl out of bed. Oh, because I am tired. Okay, now let's do the Galloper Thompson race. What? Did you see that? Wait, we're gonna X this race. We're gonna X this race. Did you? What the? What the heck? This girl is like, what? Oh, correct. No, we're not fighting again. I'm gonna just ignore it. Jana, are you okay? Oh, and then Greta responds. She's like underground. Like underground. Oh my gosh. Like, how did she get underground like that? Like, what? Is she AFK? Wonder if she's AFK. Okay, we're just gonna do the race and not mind her. Hey, I'm here to redo the race. I'm here to redo the race. Oh my gosh, my dog is messing up everything in the background. Oh my gosh. And I am such an editor fail these videos because I know I can't see them until I upload the video, but when I turn my camera or slash mouse, a circle appears around the mouse. So I am not a big fan of that, but I guess I have to roll with it. This is like terrible content. Oh, oh jeez, oh jeez. Oh gosh. This is like terrible content. Just going ahead, guys. You can disagree, or I mean, you can dislike the video because this is terrible content. Ah, eek. Wait, I decided we're gonna go this way this time. See what it gives us. Wait, what's this? Like sprinkling powder? What the flip? What? Okay, what is going on? Ah, ah. Okay, I want. Oh, jeez. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait, can we make it back up here? Okay, we can't. It's like I wanted to go up there and see what it was like. Looks like it's just a regular path with more vines, so. Jeez, all these twisting and turvy vines. And, oh, jeez, here we go. Wait, what happens if we fall in here? Oh, we just get off, swing off the right. We just get forced to stop. Okay, stop looking at me, squirrel. Squirreler. Stop it, you meanie squirrel. Now we're in, like, Dino Valley? What the flip? The maps are currently available! What the flip? Wait, what if we press call for pickup? Can't do that while we're saying, okay, fine. Okay, we're gonna go this way. We're just gonna go this way. Avoid these wind tubes. What are they? Did you see that? Okay, we're just gonna go down here and avoid these wind tubes. People say this is the easier way because you don't get filled with, or you don't have to go through the, wind tunnels. So, I personally think the wind tunnels are easier, but now that I've gone this way, this way is much easier. The other way is much easier than the wind tunnels. Okay. Here's the portal overhead. The portal's overhead. You see it. You see it? See it's glowing? Glowing. Woo! What the flip? What just happened? Okay. Okay, let's see. What else can we do? What else can we... Okay, we're just gonna throw in a little bit of pumpkin hunting. Let's go to Golden Hills Valley. Watching Violet Flower Garden. Yeah, leave a like on the video if you love Violet Flower Garden. Violet Flower Garden is one of my idols. My main idol, though, is Bianca Ponier. I don't know if you've heard of her, but my main idol is Bianca Ponier. She's another SSO YouTuber, so... Okay. Let's first check up where I usually go first. Let's see. I think this girl found her pumpkins up here. Okay, the pumpkins are not. Oh, that girl just found her pumpkin. She got flung back. Did you see that? She got absolutely flung back. Jeez. Lie down. Ouch. Okay, let's look for them in Golden Leaf Forest. Let's see. I think this girl found a pumpkin. Okay, unless I'm blind, no pumpkins in my sight. Except for these little baby pumpkins. Okay, pumpkin is not here. Let's go check by Jasper's and then check the last place. Okay, they're not here. But Jasper's Pumpkin Farm, I love it. Ah! We just went through the pumpkin. Wait, where am I going? Ouch! Ah! Okay, we have one last place to check. Unless I'm done. Unless I have one last place to check that I don't know where it is. Okay. Okay, then they are not up here. Okay. So guys, today no pumpkins were found. So, bye!